Okay, so right coming into today, essentially what I saw coming into today was we saw Monday form an accumulation or the accumulation of the week. So I wanted to see, since we are overall bullish on the week, we want to see price have some form of power of 3 on the weekly time frame to form that weekly profile. So I wanted to see Tuesday to take out that Monday low, tap into this daily SIBI or daily busy or this daily busy, the more discounted one, to support price higher. So coming into today, we saw from the daily open, the daily opening price right here, the Tuesday open. Pretty much we formed the accumulation during the overnight session, and then right around 4 a.m., price started trading lower, where we saw ES sweep out that previous day low, and then NQ did not. So this would be a higher time frame SMT with previous day low. So that's what I saw coming to market open today. And off that SMT, we saw price actually start trading higher. So I was looking at two things today: whether we would continue bullish for the rest of the day, or we actually continue lower for previous day low, and then potentially lower for that daily imbalance, have a bearish day. So I was willing to play both ways today, more neutral, seeing that come in today because we were overall bearish, but we saw this SMT. And at the 9:30 a.m. open, right here, if I can pull this out, chart's kind of messy. Right here at the 9:30 a.m. open, we saw that sell off. Price sold off right here, and then actually traded to 50% of this range. Right, price sold off to 50% of the overnight range, where we started pretty much just trading higher off of that, and then all up until Asian high. This long position right here wasn't very good. I mean, I was watching price and I was looking, maybe I might long this 1 minute for value gap. The reason why I didn't was because we actually had an S&T at this high, so I was like cautious. It was also like 5 minutes at the market open, so I was just waiting. That's why I didn't long off this one right here. When we saw 9:30 manipulation, we saw price trade higher, so I didn't take that long. It's because there's S&T at that high, and the setup wasn't good. But that actually supported price to the Asian high, where we stepped out Asian high, and we had this lower time from SMT with the 9:30 a.m. high right here. Actually, and off that SMT with Asian high and the sweep of Asian high, we saw price sold off. Right, price sold off actually really hard, inversing all of these buy side imbalances right here. And on the 5 minute, we formed the 5 minute bearish for value gap. We formed the 5 minute bearish for gap right here. So actually, I was looking more bearish when I saw that. When I saw that reaction off the Asian high, my draw immediately became these smooth lows from the overnight session, or this low resistance liquidity, as well as the London low right here. And I took a short position. My first trade, I took a short when price traded back into this 1 minute fair value gap with this breaker right here. So I entered short about right here. Price traded into that 1 minute fair value gap right here with that breaker. So I went short right there. Stop loss was above this imbalance. Reason for the stop loss, the stop loss didn't really make that much sense, I'm not gonna lie. Ideally, if you're short, you want to see price play off this 1 minute for value gap, so I didn't think we are going to reach at this high. But what ended up happening was price actually reached higher. Obviously, the protected high would be this high here, but I'm not putting my stop loss that high because that's a $41 stop loss. That's like a $850 stop loss with one contract, so it's a huge stop loss. So I put my stop loss there above that imbalance, and I targeted that London low, and we got stopped out like fast. Like in 2 candles, we got stopped out. And then pretty much what happened was we traded back into that 5 minute. I know it looks like we inverse this 1 minute for value, but we're actually still inside this 5 minute where we're trading lower off of. When we see price trade lower off this 1 minute for value up, and then we form this one, price came up, souped out this high with SMT. So I entered short off that soup with SMT back into that 1 minute imbalance. Stop loss was above this high right here. And my same target was that Asian low. And we got induced again. We were getting ranged on for a bit, accumulation, then we got induced, and then price eventually right after I got stopped out, price sold off to all the way down to that London low for 340 ticks. W trade for real. Why did it broke long twice? Okay, I see why. Okay, I get the long. I get this long. You were targeting the Asian high, but I mean, yeah, this one's not bad, but how do you avoid getting induced in the market? Entering on turtle soup. The reason why this one got induced was because this is an internal turtle soup. That's why I said I'm gonna start drinking soups more often, because I'm getting induced when I trade imbalances. So this is an internal turtle soup, so obviously you're gonna be at risk of getting induced since this is internal. The highest probability would be the external turtle soup, so entering on the soup of this Asian high, seeing price, I'll probably just enter off the displacement off the Asian high. I should have been more confident and just entered like here, stop loss at the high. But the reason why I didn't was because actually we wanted to see more structure off that Asian high. Because you right now, with let's say we can't see anywhere past this, you wouldn't know if price is going to continue past Asian high, trading higher, or have this move lower off of it and continue lower off of it. So that's why we waited off of the soup of Asian high. It doesn't hurt to wait. But you want to put your stop loss at protected lows or highs if you want to risk not getting induced. So there's always a trade-off on what you do in trading. Putting your stop loss at the protected high would have gave you a lot worse RR, and a bigger stop loss, but at the same time, you would have never gotten stopped out. So it's just a trade-off. No. Do you guys have any questions? And then for tomorrow, so what we saw today was we actually swept out that London low, which and also previous day low. Or we swept out that London low and previous day low, and then we're seeing bullish structure off of that. So for tomorrow, I want to see if we actually continue higher. I want to see if we can have a bullish day tomorrow. We have PPI as well. We have PPI and unemployment claims. Or no, we have CPI. PPI is on Thursday with unemployment. We have CPI tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. So we should have a pretty volatile day tomorrow. So far, the start of this week has been pretty rough. We haven't really expanded one way. We saw Monday accumulate. Tuesday looked like a manipulation day, so we have this higher time for accumulation. Tuesday manipulation. Now we want to see distribution higher. So ideally, I want to see price start now trading higher. I want to see how the overnight session plays out. Obviously, that plays a big role in how we trade tomorrow, but ideally, we see bullish plays tomorrow. Do you guys have any questions? Anything you want to say? Only 7 people on this call. Any questions? Copy requested to speak. You can join the stage. I mean, tomorrow better be fire. It should be better. We have CPI, so I'm hoping we have a good day tomorrow. Easy money. The easiest money right now is to buy fucking crypto, bro. Holy shit. Hunter realized he was following bottoms and tops going for the wrong bottoms. I know, are you? And yeah, I have a little bit, and not much though, not anything crazy. Most of my money is invested in a high yield saving account. I want to try meme coins. No, that's straight gambling, bro. Just straight invest in the main ones. Obviously, you're gonna need like a lot of money to do that to make any substantial amount of money. But yeah, I feel like meme coins is just gambling. I don't know. It's just straight gambling. You're just praying it goes up. Obviously, it's gambling. Higher risk, higher reward. I've deleted so much money gambling meme coins, so I'm just not doing it anymore. Solana, bro, I used to own like 10 grand of Solana when it was like $100, and I sold all that shit. If I held it, it would be 20. It would be over 20 grand right now. I think so around 10. Yeah, bro. I was going to do 10 today, but actually I have a final tomorrow, so I was studying literally all day today. I've been watching all these videos and just studying all day, and I got caught up in that. I was like on a fire ass streak, so I was like, all right, fuck, I'm not stopping now. So yeah, I have an exam tomorrow, then I have an exam next Monday, then my final on the 6th of December. So fucking the end of the spring, end of the fall semester is cooking me right now, bro. University's not easy, but I've been studying and shit, so we should do good. And then tomorrow, after tomorrow, I should have a little bit of free time, and then I have to do a little more studying again for Monday, and then I have to study a lot for my final on the 6th. Low-key not even worth it. I mean, it's worth it if it's free. Like, I'm only going because it's free for me. I want to pay. If I had to pay, I probably wouldn't even go to college. I'd probably do something else. Stay at home, just keep grinding. You live tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be live. I will be live for marketing. All right, if you have you guys have any more questions or anything you want to say before I go for the live train tomorrow, because I'm going to end this call relatively soon so I can do some more studying. Good luck with school, G. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Caesar salad. Caesar salad to go. Hunter chess, not right now, bro. I gotta study. I got some more shit to do. I got some practice exams to take. Like, this shit's not easy, bro.